it's Les Rever out of Manning. It's sponsored by Batle Oilfield Construction. Also out of Manning is their road building and heavy hauling, snow removal, and municipal district contracts. There's where you go. So let's line them up again. Dallas Langevin, Western Construction at barrel 4. Romanow-AWI at 3. It's Brayco Services and Ryan McAleney at 2. Here comes Les Rever and Batle River at 1. Off goes the horn and away we go. Good jump out there by Dallas Langevin. Make that turn and he is hot on the trail. Let's see if these other guys can catch up. Oh yes, we have got Brayco Services and Ryan McAleney out there. Able to get over their number 1 spot. I'm out of barrel 2 and look at him go. In second spot, Dallas Langevin on the high side. Or he's going to move over and take that hard track right around the rail. It's AWI of the ditch for Redeeming. Roy Romanow in the 3rd spot out there right now. And in 4th is Batle River Oilfield Construction out of Manning, along with Manning's Les Rever. But this is Ryan McAleney's race right now, as he's coming onto the backstretch drive. And he's going great guns out there as they come to the quarter-mile mark. They're stretched out like a freight train with really, really long hitches. Ryan McAleney says, I've got nothing to worry about, I've got this race. Barring any penalties, that's exactly what he's got as he comes into corner number 3. Roskin Construction, Dallas Langevin out of Manitoba is in 2nd spot trying to gain out there. And it's Alberta Welltest Incinerators and Roy Romanow in 3. Off we go with Les Rever and Batle River Oilfield Construction in 4th spot. Okay, here comes the lad from Sexsmith on the way home. He's brand new to the WCA and he's winning this race. Here we go as he crosses the line. Number 1 in 2nd spot. There's Dallas Langevin. Here comes Les Rever and Batle River Oilfield Construction. Roskin Construction, your bridge and building specialist. And the lad driving there, he is brand new with the Western Truck Wagon Association. Here he is, Dallas Langevin. Dallas Langevin. Your sponsor is Alberta Welltest Incineration, reducing emissions and greenhouse gases. Here he is, your driver, out of Disbury, Roy Romanow. Batle River Oilfield Construction comes to us out of Manning, where they do it all. Road building and heavy hauling, road maintenance, snow removal, and municipal district contracts. Here comes from Manning, Les